Welcome to VGuide TV. In this video, I am giving a shortcut to solve few questions of laws of motion. A pendulum of mass m hangs from a support fixed to a trolley. The direction of the string when the trolley rolls up in an inclined plane of inclination alpha with acceleration a naught is. With an acceleration a naught is. So the thing is, you see it's like a trolley. The trolley is moving upwards. So there is a pendulum, it's hung from the support. So it makes an angle here. And this angle is nothing but theta. Okay. So I need to find this angle. When the trolley is moving up, there is a pendulum. Pendulum is inclined. And here they told the inclination of the plane is alpha. So first thing you have to do the free body diagram. What is the weight of the body? mg. So we need to resolve the weight into two components. Which are the two components? It is mg cos theta and mg sin theta. We know that all. So as this alpha is the angle, I can write this as mg cos alpha and this will be mg sin alpha. Mg cos alpha and mg sin alpha. This is for the pendulum I am telling. This is connected with a string, so the tension is T. Tension I can resolve it into two components. Which are the two components? The components of tension, because the thread makes an angle theta with vertical. So the tension I can resolve it into two components. They are, this is T cos theta and this will be T sin theta. Now another main thing is, as this roll is or the trolley is going up and your pendulum, it shows an acceleration in the downward direction. So by seeing the free body diagram, you can understand that downward there are two components. One is mg sin alpha, other one is your ma naught. Clear? So I can write here T sin theta is balanced with mg sin alpha plus ma naught. That is the first equation. T sin theta is equal to ma naught plus sin alpha. A naught they gave it in the question. If you see T cos theta, the opposite component is mg cos alpha. That is T cos theta is equal to mg cos alpha. Next step is simple. Divide tan theta is equal to mg, m get cancelled. That is a naught plus g sin alpha by g cos alpha. If you want theta, it is tan inverse of a naught plus g sin alpha by g cos alpha. Okay. We did many questions. When a body is in an inclined plane, we know the acceleration is g sin theta. Right, and we know that the body is an inclined plane and the inclined plane is moving with an acceleration a. Acceleration is nothing but g tan theta. But this is a special case in which a trolley, in that trolley there is a pendulum and the trolley is moving up in an inclined plane. So what about the acceleration? Tan inverse of a naught plus g sin alpha by g cos alpha. Clear? Now, what will be the value of acceleration of the block slides up the plane with an acceleration g relative to the inclined plane? This is a simple question only. What they told is, the block is slides up. One block is moving up and that acceleration should be equal to g, they told. So same like previous question, we are solving mg into two components, mg sin theta, mg cos theta. As this block is going as this one, they are given like what value of a, the block slides up the plane with an acceleration of a. So we are taking here this plane. This plane is moving with an acceleration. Plane with an acceleration of g. So we are taking here the plane is moving like this with an acceleration of ma. So there is a pseudo acceleration in the opposite direction you have to take. That is ma. ma resolve it into two components is ma cos theta and ma sin theta. This is your theta. Okay. And this is your theta. So that this will be mg cos theta. And here this will come as theta. So ma resolve it into two components, ma cos theta and ma sin theta. Next is simple. What is the net force? Net force is, we can write it as ma cos theta minus mg sin theta. Net acceleration we are taking ma dash M A dash is MA cos theta minus MG sin theta. And they told A dash is nothing but G. So we can write A dash is equal to G. So substitute here, mg is equal to MA cos theta minus MG sin theta. MA cos theta is equal to mg, take to other side, mg into 1 plus sin theta, or A equals G into sec theta plus tan theta. A is equal to G into sec theta plus tan theta. So you see, this solves a special type of question. For what value of A, the block slides up the plane with an acceleration g relative to the inclined plane. So we are doing the free body diagram. So about pseudo acceleration you have to remember. That's a very important concept. Now coming back to another question related to pulley. See, there are two masses connected with the help of a pulley. This is connected with a string. This is connected with another string. Here also one string is there. So this type of constrained motion, we are taking the case of the length you have to take first. If you see these two strings, we are taking from here, from the basic point here to here. This length is L2, this length also L2, and this length is L1. So it means that when the mass is going up or down, the length of the string never changes. So that is the idea. You have to do these type of questions. Don't forget. For constrained motion, always remember there is no change for the length of the thread. So we can take here L1 plus 2 L2 is constant. If you differentiate length, we get velocity. So differential of L1 is V1, differential of L2 is V2. Here 2 is there. If you differentiate one more time the velocity, we get the acceleration. So from this acceleration, I understood that A1 is equal to minus 2A2. It means that if the acceleration of this block is upward, means acceleration of this block will come down. So A2 is down means A1 will be up. Clear? Now free body diagram, check it. This is the weight of the body is M2G. In this case, the weight of the body is M1G. Okay? So we can write it as T and M1G. If you see, I already told A1 is going up. As A1 is going up, I can take the equation T minus M1G equal M1A. If you take for this case, we know that it will come down. So I can write M2G is greater than the tension. Here the tension means you can see that this tension will be equal to this tension. So here the tension is nothing but 2T. So we can write M2G minus 2T is equal to M2A2. Now you substitute the value of T from the first equation. M2G minus 2 into, what is T here? M1G plus M1A equals M2A2. M2G minus 2M1G minus 2M1 into 2A2 equals M2A2. We are substituting A1 equal to A2 modulus value. So I can write the value of A2 as, this term will go that side, that is M2 minus 2M1 into G by 4M1 plus M2. So this is the equation for acceleration. Okay, so what I discussed now, these all questions are the tricks of JEE and tricks of NEET. So these are the very important questions, and it is based on the constraint motion. In the constraint motion, I told you, you have to start the concept like length should be constant. Differentiating length, we should get the velocity. Differentiating velocity, we get acceleration. Then you write the free body diagram with this. Okay. After that, I told about the inclined plane. Inclined plane acceleration things you have to remember. Okay. So inclined plane and pulley questions only we did. These are very, very important questions of laws of motion. Hope you understood the video. Subscribe our channel V-Guide TV. Press bell button to get notification about our new videos. Thank you for watching V-Guide TV. Thank you.